Children, on page number 91, we will do encircle the given letter in words. Encircle the given letter in words. Children, given letters are here: J, L, N, M, K, P, and given words are these all are. And you will choose the given letters from these words. First, you will read all the words given in the line. Then you will choose the letter which is given in the box. Children, first letter is J. J, jug. J, juice. J, jeep. Jump. Children, from jug, we will circle the letter J as given. Then from juice, we will encircle the letter J. From jeep, also J. And then from jump, we will encircle the letter J. Students, next letter is L. So first you will read all these words and then you will choose given letter, like here is L. So you will choose L from these words, from this line. The letter can be one time only and two times only. L, from lip we will choose L. From little, L, A, T, L. ਇੱਥੇ ਦੋ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਇਆ. Then we will choose both times, encircle both times. Then in leg we will encircle L. In doll, here is double L, so you will encircle double L. Children, next letter is N. We will read first all these words: man, nib, net, ring. Man, we will encircle letter N. Nib, net, ring, ring. Then children, letter can be in the starting of the word and can be also in the end of the word. Letter is M. Mouse, dam, milk, jam. From mouse we will encircle the M. From dam also, milk, then from jam. Children, next letter is K. Kite, cake, pig, king. K. Here are two K's in the word cake. Pig, king. P, dip, pen, cap, put. We will encircle the letter P from cap and from put. So children, this was the activity. Encircle the given letter in the words. Okay. Next activity is, children, what comes before. We did this activity in our previous classes also, but today we will do here on page number 91. You will write here only small letters. You will write here only small letters. As we are doing small letters, children, what comes before the letter B? Yes, what comes before the letter B? A. A comes before B. What comes before K? J. J comes before letter K. Then what comes before N? N, M. And what comes before J? Letter I. Letter I comes before J. F, from F, letter E. E, F. What comes before letter O? Letter N, comes before letter O. Then next letter is H. What comes before H? Letter G. Yes, letter G. G comes before letter H. Next letter is L. What comes before L? J, K, L. K. Letter K comes before letter L. Yes, we will revise again. Letter A comes before B. J comes before K. M comes before N. I comes before J. E comes before F. N comes before O. Letter G comes before H. Letter K comes before L.